parts laid out. The setup looks ill. Ryzen 7 500, got that power, no chill. RX 7 heavens hit, pixels popping and thrill. 32 gigs of RAM, got the speed and the skill. Motherboard pristine, slots like a dream. Power supply steady, wattage pure and clean. Case is sleek, tempered glass in the scheme. About to boot it up, data flow like a stream. Building this rig, digital symphony. Hardware harmony, pure epiphany. Frames per second, infinity spree. Gamers rise, we the royalty. Fans whisper quiet, thermals kept in check. RGB, glow colors on deck. SSD blazing, load times dissect. PC majestic, tech heads respect. Tweak the BIOS, zero lag, zero fuss. Import performance, add a layer to boost us. Overclock the rain, nothing superfluous. Virtual landscape, seamless, continuous. Building this rig, digital symphony. Hardware harmony, pure epiphany. Frames per second, infinity spree. Gamers rise, we the royalty. Building this rig, digital symphony. Hardware harmony, pure epiphany. Frames per second, infinity spree. Gamers rise, we the royalty.